Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you how to enter the park brake maintenance mode. Now these vehicles are equipped with electronic parking brake, and every time you are planning to service the rear brakes you have to enter the park brake maintenance mode so you don't damage any of the components. This video should apply to second generation of Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so to put the vehicle into the brake service mode, what you will do, you will press the start button once to engage the accessory mode, but do not start the vehicle. So press it only once. So you will see all the lights here coming on. Once you've done that, press and keep holding the gas pedal with your right foot, and then you will press the parking brake down, and while the parking brake is pressed down, you will press the start button twice. Now I will try to record this. I'll have to use both of my hands, kind of. Okay, I hope you can actually see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm holding the parking brake down right now, and I will press the start button twice. And keep holding the parking button down and the gas pedal while you're doing this. And that's it. Now if you look at the instrument cluster, park brake maintenance mode. And now you can proceed with servicing your brakes. Now one important thing, once you're done with the brake work, you will have to exit the parking brake mode, right? Because even now, if you try to start the vehicle or anything you do, you will keep getting this message, right? And you cannot even use the parking brake right now. Okay, now to disengage this mode, first you want to turn the vehicle completely off. And then you will just do everything the same, but this time you will pull this button up, not push it down. So again, you will press this start button once, then you will press and keep holding the gas pedal, and then you will pull the electronic parking brake up, and you will press the start button twice. 1, 2. And now you will hear the parking brake engaging. And yeah, that's it. That's how you exit the maintenance mode. And you will get the message here, park brake on, and these lights will be on as well, right? And now before you go for a drive, it's always a smart idea just to test out the parking brake, so you know how that goes. You have to press the brake pedal and then try to engage and disengage the parking brake. Okay, now it's disengaged, park brake off, and I'll try to engage it. Now it's on. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.